kick them to go, pull them to stop, and use the reins to turn is what I've been against for the last 3.5 decades. You know, it's an interesting thing, and I've thought about this and thought about this. You know, old Western movies, in short, always showed people, you know, yeah, kicking them to go, and it always showed people in a wagon spanking the horses to go and whoa, and pulling them to stop. And I think this is where that whole thought came from. Now, here's what I'd like you to do: is I'd like you to understand that what I'm trying to get you to do is to play a game with your horse and say, I won't use my legs to get you to go, but I will use my legs if you don't go. And I won't use my reins to get you to stop, but I will use my reins if you don't stop. Now, I won't use my reins to turn you, but I will use my reins if you don't turn. So that's the sort of thing. So what we have to do is we have to get good at indications. But before we get at what I call indicative communication, what we have to do is we have to know the right way to do it, or the correct way, or the most natural way, all right? So what that means is we've got to understand we've got a left rein and we've got a right rein, all right? And our reins are attached to our arms and our legs need to now coordinate. So I'm going to give you a real simple thing. Let's say we're going to back a horse up. Can you see that his left front foot is probably going to come back first? So what I want to do is lock my right elbow and just bring that left foot a little bit, and then the right. So I'm not just pulling back on both, all right? I'm dancing with those feet. Now, it might look like I'm seesawing. Now, I'm exaggerating here for you, but I'm saying, come on, left front, come on, right front, come on, left front. And I'm not doing it like this. I'm not releasing one and pulling one and releasing. I'm just holding them the same, lifting one, put it down, lift the other, and put it in the timing. What I try to get people to understand is what to do with your legs. Like when I want to get going, I don't start kicking. What I do is I smile and squeeze and I please. I don't give it a big kick. I squeeze. I might use rhythm here. If I'm asking my horse to back up, I might put a little rhythm in my legs to help him pick those feet up a little bit, right? But these are the kind of things that nobody knows that, because everybody's been told just to get on the horses, kick them to go, pull them to stop, and lean in the direction to turn. So let me show you real quick how to look real normal. You ready? Watch. You see, that's what everybody wants to do. That's our image. We see it in the Western movies. We see it in any kind of movie where there's a horse in it. People are leaning in the direction where they're going.